Hello students, welcome to this video. Today we are going to discuss about 1's complement representation and 2's complement representation. Okay, here we have 3 steps. Okay, the first step is convert given decimal number into binary. Okay, here I have minus 24 base 10. The decimal number, it should be converted into the binary number, that is 1 1 0 0 0. Okay, write in this format: minus 24 base 10 equal to 1 1 0 0 0 base 2. Okay, this is the binary form of this minus 24 decimal number. Okay, this is the first step of 1's complement representation. Okay, so the second step is check if the binary number contains 8 bits. If less, add 0 at the leftmost bit to make it as 8 bits. Okay, why we are checking this condition means this is the 8-bit memory allocation. Okay, here we have 1 2 3 4 5 bits. Okay, we have only 5 bits, but we are doing this concept, we need 8 bits. Okay, so check if the binary number contains 8 bits. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 bits we have, so we need 3 additional bits. Okay, now I am going to add 3 zeros in front of these 5 bits. Okay, if less, add 0 at the leftmost bit to make it as 8 bit. Okay, here we have 8 columns. Now I am adding 3 zeros in front of these 5 bits. Okay, this is the second step. So finally the third step is invert all bits, that is change 1 as 0 and 0 as 1. Okay, here I am going to change the following bits: 0 as 1, 0 as 1, 0 as 1, 1 as 0, 1 as 0, 0 as 1, 0 as 1, finally 0 as 1. This is the 1's complement representation of this binary digit. Okay, can you understand the concept now? This is the 1's complement representation. Very simple concept. Okay, the second step is 2's complement representation. Okay, here we do the same operation of this 1's complement operation, 1's complement representation. The simple difference is, okay, we are adding 1 as the final digit of this step. Okay, here, but in the 1's complement we are taking the example as the negative value. Okay, the value is negative, means we can do the third step. Okay, but we are having this value as a positive 1 means, okay, positive plus 24 base 10 means we are stop this process in this second step. Okay, in this second step we are stopping this process. This is the 1's complement of this plus 24 number, but here we are taking the example as minus 24. So we are doing the third step to convert the 1's complement representation. Okay, this is the concept of 1's complement representation. Here, first of all, invert all the bits in a binary sequence, that is change every 0 to 1 and every 1 to 0, that is 1's complement. Okay, we are doing this same step. Okay, we are doing this same step here also, but here also we are taking the example as minus 24 base 10. But if we have the plus value, plus sign means we are stopping this step, no? So we are stopping this step. 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0. This is the 1's complement of plus 24 sign. Okay, but here also we are taking the example as minus 24 sign. So no problem. Here the last step is taken here. Okay, this is the binary form of this decimal number. After that we are converting 1's complement representation. After that the 2's complement means add 1 to the result to the least significant bit, that is LSB. So this is the least significant bit. This is the most significant bit. Okay, this is the least significant bit, this is most significant bit. Okay, this is left side, this is right side. Okay, here add 1 to the result to the least significant bit. Here we are taking this values plus adding 1. Okay, the result is, okay, how to add these numbers? In mathematics 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, but in computer science 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 0. Okay, this is the difference. So can you see this? 1 plus 1 equal to 10. Okay, 1 plus 1 equal to 10. 0 plus 1 equal to 1. 1 plus 0 equal to 10. 1. 0 plus 0 equal to 1. Here we have only 1 means the answer is 1. Here we have 2 zeros means the answer is 0. But we have 2 1 means the answer is 1 0. This is not 10. Okay, we don't call this as 10. This is 1 0. Okay, now add these numbers. 1 plus 1, 1 0. 0, put 0 here and carry 1. 1 plus 1 again, 1 0. Put 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, put 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So the answer is 1. Here we have no digits. 0, 1, 1, 1. So this is the 2's complement of minus 24 base 10. We have another one simple method. Okay, I'll teach you. Here we have, this is the format of this form of 2's complement is on your book, but another one easy form I should have. Okay, I have. I'll teach you. So in the 1's complement, first of all we are searching one value, not the 0 value, 1. The first one where it can place. Okay, in the least significant bit. On the left side we will start our search process. So here we have 1 in the first column. Okay, in the first column. So we have take these 4 number of columns. Okay, 4 number of columns. It should be converted as 1's complement again. 1 as a 0. I'll show you. 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. Here we have 1 as the first step. We are converting this 4. Okay, if we have 1 in this step means, in this column means we have these 4 digits should be changed into 0 as 1 and 1 as 0. Okay, here we find 1 as the first step, so we convert this 4 bits. Here 1 as 0, 1 as 0, 1 as 0, 0 as 1. But in the remaining part, it should be written in this way. Okay, can you understand? Can you check the result? See, 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 0. This is possible. This is the easiest simple method. Okay, in this way we also find the 2's complement representation. But in this step we have plus sign means. Okay, we have plus sign means we can stop this procedure here. We are finding the 1's complement means this is the 2's complement representation. Okay, but here it should have positive value means we stop this step here. We don't need to do this step, do this third step. Okay, but here also same, we are not doing this second step, we are doing these steps only. Okay, but we have negative example, so this is the form of this negative example. Hope you can understand this concept. This is 1's complement representation, this is 2's complement representation. Kindly memorize these numbers. Okay, this is the formation of addition and subtraction also. Okay, thank you students.